Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects in Hubspot without coding. So, in order to do that, you first need to head over into your Hubspot settings by clicking on the gear icon. Now, once you're in there, the next thing you need to do is locate Objects. You can scroll down and find it under Data Management, expand it, and you'll see the available objects. Alternatively, you can click directly and choose Custom Objects. At this stage, it's helpful to think about how you plan to use your custom object in real workflows. Consider relationships, reporting needs, and how your team will interact with the data daily. Planning ahead avoids rework later and keeps your CRM clean and scalable. Click on Custom Objects. Once you're there, click Create, which will open the upgrade page. From here, you can start a 14-day free trial for Sales Hub if needed. After subscribing, click Create Custom Object. Now, enter your object name. Add a description, then create the primary display property such as color. Choose the property type, like single-line text or number. Fill in the remaining details and create the object. That's all there is today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.